everyone! In this video, I will show you how to draw in Pixlr. So first, go to Pixlr and click on Pixlr Editor. Then click on Open Image to open a new image. To open an image from your computer, or click on Create New to create an image from scratch. Let's select one of these options. And here you can change the name, the width, and the height, and you can also add a background color. Let's add white as a background color and then click on create. Now here, go to the brush icon here, which is the draw tool, and click on it. And click on brush here to change the size. Drag the slider here to change the softness. Here you can change the steps, or you can select one of these basic circular, or you can also select one of these shapes. Now here you can change the opacity by dragging the slider, the flow. You can add a mirror, a vertical, horizontal, or four-way. You can turn on scatter and hard tip, and you can also turn on use pen pressure. So after finishing, just draw on your canvas. You can click here to change the color. Then click on OK. You can also paste the color code here or change it from here or change it from here. Then click on OK. And you can also click on this icon here to select the eraser. Here again, you can change the size, the softness, and the steps. And just click and drag it on the canvas to erase what you want. Now, after finishing, just click on this icon here or go to File and select Save. Then select the format and click on Save As. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!